Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you the unboxing of my ModelOnes All-in-one Salon kit. So let's see what came in the package. So I ordered it off Amazon. So I only get to do this once, because it's an unboxing and stuff. Hope I show you everything that's inside properly. So this is the one. This is the ModelOnes nail salon kit. It is a DIY nail kit that you can use to get long nails, and so I ordered this kit from Amazon, and I really wanted to share with you what are all the things that you get, and also is it worth purchasing. I hope once you see this video, you will be able to make a decision if this is the kit that you want to go with. So like I said, I ordered this kit from Amazon, and it came I waited for some time, but it wasn't like too long. It didn't take me too long to receive it, and so let's get into the unboxing, and I will show you all the goodies inside this box. So keep on watching if you want to see what's inside this ModelOnes All-in-one Salon kit. It says something else. Enjoy DIY fun. So if you're looking for a kit that will save you time so you can do your own nails, if you're looking for a new hobby, if you want to pick up a new skill, or if you've done your nails previously on your own and you want to try something new, which is the polygel nails, and that's what I wanted to do. That's why I got this kit. So keep on watching and let's get into the video. All right. This is what it contains. That's pretty nice. It's got a whole bunch of things in there. So it's quite cute. It's really small, like the amount of polygel you get and stuff. They're in real mini tubes of like 15 grams. So the first thing you get is this Salon kit, all-in-one booklet. I suppose it has some designs on it. These are the Polygel nail, the actual gel itself. Also, it has white, clear, and pink. So I guess if you wanted to do like French nails, you could use that, which is fantastic because I was wondering would I get a white. This kit itself cost me about $100, which I guess was the best value, because it has like a whole bunch of colors, polygel. It has the base coat, top coat, and it has solid colors. So I'll insert a picture somewhere to show you the different colors, which are these and what they look like on the nails. I thought these are really pretty. So it also comes with the gel cleanser sort of wipes. I've never used polygel kits before. This is the first one that I've ever gotten. I used to do my nails before. I did play around with acrylic powders and things like that many years ago, but I'm like kind of getting back into nails, and wanting to do something creative. So I thought I'd try this set out, and now seems to be a good time to try it out. So yeah. The top coat. And these are like the gel colors. So I'm just gonna open one to see what it looks like. Or to show you guys what it looks like. Ah, it's sealed. So I might show you, you know, so it's good that they're sealed. So I'll show you the colors maybe when I'm doing these colors on the nail itself. Wow, this comes with a lot of stuff in there. We have our UV lamp, which is a really cute one. Shows you the specs. Oh, it's a USB lamp. Silly me. Okay. So it's a USB lamp. And the color that I got is pink. Yay. So it's a cute little pink one. And then you get like an instruction manual. So I guess in order to use this lamp, you're gonna have to be near like some outlet. The wire, I think, is long enough so you can, you know, that's, yeah, a bit of a distance and still get the job done. So it clicks in. Kind of have to pop it a little bit. I don't want to break it, so I was being careful. And then it can just like stand. So you can just like prop it up like that. Which is pretty cute. These are, you know, quite mobile if you're gonna be traveling around and you want to do your nails. And the other things in here are the 100 by 180 nail file. So I guess one is softer and the other one is a bit rough. I've seen a couple of videos, so I guess the softer 100 is for buffing your nails to prepare it, and then 180 is to file it off once you have applied the polygel and it's hardened and you need to shape your nail. Next thing we have is a little tweezer, and you can use this to do like nail art, apply your rhinestones and things like that. Cute little tape. So these tapes are actually when you're trying to create shapes, designs, and they come in like various colors. Yeah, it's like a whole bunch of shades. There's a whole bunch of them, and this will last you a lifetime unless you have a shop and you're doing a lot of customers' nails. So the brush does not have a spatula in it, so it's just a brush. And then you have this, and it says number 6. These are the dual forms that you get. So it's a tiny packet. So I hope they fit my nails, because yeah, I've seen some kids, they have a lot of dual forms, which means they have a lot more option in sizes. So if you are concerned whether the dual forms will fit your nails, you might want to get the kits that have a lot more sizes in them. This one has a few, and I hope they fit my nails. So this is a cuticle remover. So once you have pushed back your cuticles, this is what we'll use to sort of remove it. The next important one is this one. So this is the one with, but this is also to push your cuticles back. So this is a good one actually. You see the shape? It's like a little shovel. You have this cute brush, which has cute little rhinestones. and I guess this is to remove any dust like on your nails after you buff it, so it doesn't get, you know, anywhere on the polygel. Keeps it all neat. Rhinestones, so you can use that for in different sizes. So this is quite nice. If you love glitter, you're gonna love these. Yeah, you can see them. There you go. This thing called removal dedicated wood. So these are actually the removal dedicated. I think it's when you want to remove the polygel. These are like these are the alcohol wipes. So they give you some design ideas that you can try out. Yeah, and it'll tell you what to do step by step if you've never done polygel nails before. And they also show you how to apply the color gel that comes with it, that you can paint on top of the polygel once it's hardened, to get like different colors. And there's one more which shows you how to use the striping, or yeah, the striping tape. Okay, so I've tried to fit everything into the screen so that you can see everything that you get in this kit. ModelOnes All-in-one Salon kit. Okay, this is the one with like the multicolored. Okay, so this is the box, and what you're gonna get inside is honestly a lot of stuff. I mean, this is a lot of stuff. I'm quite happy with, you know, how much I got, considering how much it costed me. So if you're never done gel nails before, you want to try it out, and you don't have a UV lamp, you don't have any of this like nail supplies, this is a really good kit, I'd say. Just from having the tools that you need to try this out, right? So most importantly, I think if you're gonna be doing this, you're gonna need a UV lamp. Yeah, so you've got a cute little UV lamp here. It's not bulky, it's not huge, it's not gonna take up too much space, but I guess in terms of curing power, it's not gonna be as strong as the other lamps. So we'll test it out and see how it does. So that's the most important thing that you need. Okay, secondly, you've got your foams. This, of course, without this you can't even do it, right? This is like the stencil, which is what the polygel is going to be forming to. So yeah, the next thing would be your polygels. You get 3 colors. You get white, you get clear, and then you get pink. So yeah, so you get 3 polygels. I think for basics that's a good enough start, and I think most of them that I have seen come with very light colored shades. There are some other kits that come with shades like apricot and some nude shades, but I think these 3 are good to start with. You then get a base coat, you get a top coat, you get 8 shades of gel nail polish. So you've got a maroon, you've got like this foam green, a lavender, sort of like a nude brown, an orange, like a bright orange, very nice soft pink, and then these 2 are glitter colors. So these 2 are glitters. I think one is like a silverish glitter. Then, you know, with these you can make these look really beautiful as well. Then you have your UV gel cleanser. I'm guessing this is to remove the sticky tacky layer. Next important thing, you've got your file, you've got your spatula and your cuticle, like to prepare your nail. You've got a brush, which is also the next important thing, because without that you're not going to be able to mold the polygel. Then you've got your little, you know, cuticle tool. I guess if you don't get this in the kit, it's okay, because pretty much everyone has one of these at home. But if you don't have one, then great, you got one in this set. And you've got a brush to prep your nails and clean it up. Additionally, there's also the removal wipes. I guess I will try it out and tell you what these are for on a later stage. You've got rhinestones to bling it out, and you've got your striping tape, quite a few of them to do your nail art in. And of course, you get a guide so that you don't feel lost and you know what to do. So that's pretty much my unboxing of the ModelOnes All-in-one Salon kit. That is the end of my ModelOnes unboxing video. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching it, and I hope you found it helpful to see what are all the things that you get. Hopefully once you've seen what's inside, it will help you decide if you want to go ahead and get this kit for yourself, or if something else could suit your needs. I'm very excited to try this kit. I will be making a video on how to use the kit, so stick around for more videos. And if you haven't joined my family, my Rashni Allure family, why not? Just click on the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications. If there are comments that you would like to share with me, if you really enjoyed this video, please let me know. I would love to hear from you guys. If you didn't like something about the video, I would like to hear that too, so I can provide really good content for you guys to watch. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye.